No, yeah, that's fine. We are not talking about API because that's anyhow that's for everyone, so you can take it up later.
Oh, some video you had posted now only for the team members.
Yeah, that's for the team members. Later, I made it public. Like initially, it was for the team members. After
Okay,
24
okay.
hours or 48 hours, it's public for everyone.
Okay, so what were they? I mean, what was Sudhira? What were you talking about? That not this
Same thing.
video, is it?
Same thing. Same thing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So let's go with PDD and let's also see. Did we start with the code at least? Uh, anyone did you start with the code?
Yeah, Vajrang, I started developing the bot, like navigating the URL and logging into the procurement page. Yeah, that's it. Not much.
Okay. And what about? So you are working alone or are you working in a team?
I and Swapna, we are working.
Okay. And Rajni and Purni, are you working as a team or are you working individually?
Actually, I've not started with the coding, so I'm yet to connect with whatever Rajini. I'm okay with whatever. How do we do it together? We divide it and do Vajrang. How do we go about that?
So I cannot give you how a team works, but a simple thing is both should be connected and you should be working on screen share.
Okay.
Ideally, one person should be working, other person should be a driver, and the other way is you can divide your work like updating extracting items from one page should be a task for one person and the other person should be working on updating a task like filling details for the page, so
Uh,
Yeah.
like that you can divide the work if you,
Vajrang,
Okay.
one question. Sorry to interrupt you. If we divide the work into two, like as you said right now, so the studio will be, how do the code will be shared, like with
mm,
the GitHub, right?
yeah,
Okay. Other than that, we don't have any option to
no
share
no
the
no
code.
no in the
Okay, okay,
GitHub
got it.
directly.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
And one more thing is, you also can uh, take you also can take fork of a different person if I'm not wrong, but I really doubt it. Anyhow, like instead of taking my fork, you can take Purni's fork, so that like you can take Purni's fork as your fork. Then what will happen is instead of my branch as the main, you will have Purni's branch as the main. So you both can work on Purni and then Purni can commit to my code. Again, that's a bit of confusing and uh, troublesome task. What I suggest is do screen share and complete it. Both connect and do screen share and complete.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That will also
okay,
be good.
Vaj. Yeah.
Okay. So, what are your queries for today? I'm not going to discuss anything on the project because that should be completed by you, and you need to give me the result. Other than that, what is the what are any doubts or any queries that you have?
Uh,
So,
uh,
yeah.
yeah, just a second. Any like any feedback on PDD, Vajran, or you'll give it the last?
I have given PDD feedback for Purni. So, did you commit the code in GitHub and did you make a pull request?
Yes, I did it. Yeah.
Okay, let me check in the GitHub then.
Oh,
Can you see the screen?
yes, Vajran.
Okay. This is where do I have the PDD? Sudhira,
Sorry, Vajran.
where can you find your PDD?
No, it my GitHub desktop.
But you need to make a pull request. for it to be available?
I your voice is breaking.
No, I said you, if I need to access, you need to make a pull request, right?
Yeah, I did it. I did it.
Okay, okay.
Bajrang, how can I view your comments? What you have given for
Download it. Open the file. Uh, just uh, just make a pull request and open the PDD.
I have to make a pull request, is it?
No, no. Just fetch upstream and uh,
Oh,
make a pull.
okay. Open pull request, right?
No need for pull request, Purni.
No, when I put fetch upstream, it is saying open pull request is an option that it gave me.
Okay, you can make a pull request, but that will pull values into your code. So,
Yeah, but why is that? Okay, let me see.
so I'm fetching the
I can
origin.
show you the screen if,
No, no. Let me complete this. That,
yeah,
uh,
after completing.
or else it will be delayed. So see, I just made a pull request and I pulled it in the GitHub desktop. Now the changes is Vikri Sudhira and then the PDD. Where is the PDD?
It will be week 3 project PDD.
Okay. So let me know if you are able to see the screen. Are you
Yeah, yeah,
seeing
we can
GitHub?
hear.
Are you seeing folders now or are you still seeing GitHub?
GitHub web.
Now?
Now the desktop.
Okay. And now?
Still the folder.
Okay. So you're able to see the folders, right?
Yes.
Okay. Week 3.
Week 3 project. Uh,
Okay. So this is as is process or to be process?
uh, to be processed.
I don't think this is to be process, but let's again see. Open automation anywhere, download, login, copy PO number from supply chain management, provide details and provide it in the procurement anywhere to search and get particular purchase order. Fetch the ship date, order date and populator. What if there are no results? Okay, you made a purchase order search, but what if there are no results?
Okay.
So
We need to write.
these will come into to be process. Like you need to understand the logic and you need to see, okay, if this is not done, then how are we going to write?
Okay.
So for example, let it be to be process, but here copy PO and provide it in the procurement anywhere search. So here we can say if results available,
Like if PO number is not available, right?
if results are available, simple.
Okay. Okay. If results are available. Okay.
Okay, then find the value, or if PO results are not available, then um, throw exception.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So if we should include the exception cases also.
Exactly.
Okay. Got it.
Then populate the date, supply chain management, and get the value of state and the filter the state of assignment again here. So instead of this, I can write uh, filter has zero results. Has a filter
Null values.
rows count is greater than or equal to 1. Count equal to 1. Then you can get the value. If it is greater than 1, then
It goes to
0 or more than. So this is a BRE, business rule
oh,
exception.
oh, business rule exception. Okay.
So this is also a BRE.
PR. Okay.
So any kind of exception that we write is not a system exception, that will be business rule exception.
Okay. Yeah.
Any unhandled exception is a system exception.
Okay.
So instead of saying that repeat the steps for all the POs, you can
Mm.
just uh,
We can loop it up.
yeah.
Okay.
So here instead of this, you can just write next item exists.
Okay.
If next item exists, then go back to
Mm. POs.
so go back to this place. Okay. So
Okay.
this is on the right side. Instead of saying repeat for all the POs, or if there are no more values, you can go ahead and click on this.
Yeah, we'll click on submit.
No more items process. Click on submit, take a screenshot if you receive, email it. So
Okay. Yeah, got it. So we need to include the exceptions also. Yeah.
okay, so it's better if you include the exceptions.
Yeah, sure. Got it. Yeah, that's right.
And in one more way to understand it easily, we will insert swim lanes. So other than having something like this, we will add a swim lane. So what exactly is a swim lane? Insert, edit, insert a swim lane. So let's add a horizontal swim lane. So this is we have three items, right? What is that? First one is supply chain management.
State, ship date,
Uh, not that,
order total. Oh, not that.
not that. So this is supply chain management portal.
Management.
Okay, supply chain management portal. This is
Okay.
okay, and let's add one more swim lane. And the second one is
Procurement
uh,
anywhere.
yeah. So this is developer automation engineer. Purchase orders. So this is procurement anywhere.
Okay.
Procurement anywhere portal. This is purchase orders. Okay. And the third one is like if we have a different application, then we will make it as a different swim lane.
So we can include the Excel sheet like state assignments. We have Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Can we include?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So if results are available, copy the results. There are no results. So this is not the one. Let me check back in the okay downloads. It should be there in my downloads. Yeah, state assignments.
Yeah, state assignment.
Okay. So this can be done something like this. We will start with procurement anywhere. This is in start open supply chain. Okay. Download state assignments Excel sheet from the supply chain page. So this one it should be done in the
Excel.
so, so this is state assignments. Okay. So once you open it, what you are doing, you are going ahead and opening the values. Okay. So once you open the values, then what you are giving? Log into procurement anywhere with given credentials. So you can take it as the next step from here.
Mm.
Okay. Then copy PO from supply chain management and provide the procurement anywhere search. So again, this will go into the top.
Mm.
Okay. And uh, you need to search here. So let's go ahead and search. Okay. So initially this will be confusing, but once we close the loop and once we make it bigger, then it will be easier.
Okay.
So starting procurement anywhere. Okay. This is the result. Okay. And then let's make it a bit bigger so that this will be easier for us. So if the results are available, fetch the value. So this is from purchase orders and populate the details inside uh, supply chain management page. So this is again taken to which step? This step,
First. Yeah.
first one. So to make it easier, let's give it on the left side and take this to the right. So it's easy to map it.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. and this is what do you have, populate the page in the supply chain management. And again, next, what is this for?
Uh,
Searching in the
in free
yes,
Excel.
searching in the Excel sheet. So again, once you have it, then I think the next step would be, instead of supplying it or adding it directly to the top, you can make a request. See here, this is how we can change it now. So after you make a update, instead of that, you can just make an update over here.
Okay.
So first fetch the values, then get the Excel result.
Okay.
Okay. So if that is 0, then throw a business rule exception. If not, get the state value and Excel put uh, to get full name, populate full name in agent dropdown. Okay. So this one you are getting it from here.
Excel. Yeah.
Um, okay. So populate is this step. Okay. So this is one. So to make it easier, let me just go ahead and see from where did we get it. So next item exists or not is not required at this stage. Okay, and also we will add one more value called send report. Okay.
Yes.
So for now, let's not worry about next item because this is the complete process.
Okay.
Okay. Submit. Click submit. So clicking submit is again comes under procurement anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead and add it in procurement anywhere, and then finally take a screenshot and email. So take a screenshot should also be inside.
First procurement.
Exactly. So taking a screenshot should also be from here, and submit. Click submit and accuracy percentage. Okay. Then take a screenshot. Okay. Done. Then end the statements. So here you can do it somewhere like this. So I will just try to minimize some things and maximize few things so that I will get it easier. So this is end the process, but again, here we are taking only the screenshot. So send
We can include, yeah, we can include one more and send email.
send email with screenshot. Okay. So I'll just try to move things Yeah. Mm, so let's add few more highlights and we are done. So through business rule exception. Okay. So if I want, I can just increase this space so that I can accommodate more.
Mm.
But yes, yeah, let me just stand it up
Uh,
here.
so in RPA, who will be doing this job actually,
This
Vajra?
is BA.
BA bus. Okay.
So BA will be working on this. But if you are a developer, you should also know how to create these details.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and add it from the bottom. Yeah, but yes, were you able to understand the idea of what exactly are we trying to do?
Yeah.
So
Yes,
here,
Vajra.
let's see with the complete flow. Okay, so first we are starting in procurement anywhere, opening and then opening the browser. Then we are going into download supply chain, state assignment sheet. After you download, log into purchase orders, and after you purchase order, copy PO number from the supply chain management. If the result is available, then value or throw an exception. Here we can write no results. Okay. So if results are available, whatever the value we take it and fetch the results of fetch ship order. Then we will go with populate ship order. So if I want, I just can delete it again. Let's see. So I just want to make things easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So once we have a value, then search for it. But yeah, so fetch order, and then if the orders are available, then go ahead and uh,
State value.
search for states, and the state is available, then get the values, and then after getting all the values, then go ahead and populate them,
Yeah. In a picture management.
because you will get all the values,
Yes.
so you can easily update. So once you update, click on submit, click on percentage accuracy, and find it. But again,
Yeah.
if you just want to add something that is if you just want to show that repeating values or repeating items, like okay, after all the items only I just need to send a screenshot, or else I will just continue. If you want to show something like that, Let's just see.
So actually, the project is to insert all the PO number values, or
Exactly.
only one, or
All,
all of them.
all of them. All of them.
Okay.
So here, once you get it, I can just uh, see. This is the procurement page, right? So
Yeah.
um, check for new PO. So if new PO, no more POs to work. So if there are no more POs to work, then go ahead and hit on submit. If there are POs, then go ahead and yeah, copy PO from supply chain management. Yes. So here you go, and here you go, here you go. I think they still need to work on this so that it will be easier for us. Okay. Yeah. So once it is done, then we will take a screenshot and we will send it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now, if you just export file, save as. Okay, I'm just trying to save it again. So this will be available. Export and into your diagram. Okay, and then downloads. I'll add it to my downloads. Okay, where exactly is this? Yeah. Now I see all the map.
Yeah.
But did you
And
see how exactly or how did we change that to swim lane so that we will easily get where exactly is the step and how exactly are we moving further?
yes.
Okay. So if you don't do something like this, then what will happen is you will just mix up with the existing values. Like you don't know which step is happening at what place. Okay. So what I'll do, so this is again a to be process. You can take it as a to be
So we do
process.
the workflow first and then better to do the swim lanes later, right?
It depends. If you are good enough and if you understand, then there is no wrong.
So this comes under to be.
To be.
Okay.
This is a to be process flow now. Okay.
Okay.
So one more way how I can see the changes is, so here I made the change, right? So instead of adding everything, I will just discard the changes. No. So when I just discarded the changes, what exactly have happened is all the changes that Sudhira have made still remains as is. Okay. So everything that you made is there, and everything that I made, I just copied to a new file, right?
Yeah.
So Instead of checking or taking back your commit, I just made it something easier.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, you have two items. All I'll do now is I'll make a push request, pull request, push to origin. Yes. Okay, so for today's session, we are able to change a complete swim lanes, how exactly the swim lanes will work, and how can we represent and create a diagram using swim lanes. Done?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's go with the questions for the next 15 minutes. Yeah, Puni, you were saying something?
Yeah, the pull commit, I'll just share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's
this
fine.
one,
Um,
when I say a fetch upstream, it's asking me open pull request.
Yeah, branch behind upstream and has conflicts must be resolved. The reason is whatever the changes that are made in my branch, same changes you made in your file. Okay, click on open pull request. If you don't have any changes, then you will not have this error. Open pull request
Okay. Um, but why?
because it can't.
Yesterday when I did it, I fetched upstream first, then only I committed my code.
Okay, you will see the changes. What are the changes that have happened?
Okay. So what should I do?
Yeah,
I'll
right,
just
right.
I'll create a pull request.
Yeah, right. Create a pull request.
Mm, Fast
Wikipedia pull
mining order.
request.
Okay.
Okay, the only change is purchase order docs. Okay, scroll down. Open it in. You can also open it in GitHub desktop, right? So this is the thing. Like the changes that you made after I made a change, you again made few changes at respective places. So, are you opening this in browser? Fine. Open this in GitHub desktop.
Oh, I didn't understand what you said actually. When did I make changes after you made it? Like yesterday night only I had submitted, no?
Yes. After that, before you submitted or after you made a change, uh, then just click on fetch upstream, fetch origin. Okay. Go back to GitHub.
GitHub is it?
It's already there in Chrome here.
Yeah.
So manage pull request. So this is the pull request. View command line instructions. Okay. Scroll down and see. And must be resolved is what we have. Okay. Go to the top. Go open your open this PDD purchase order PDD docs.
In the Explorer, right? In the GitHub.
Okay, okay. Something you can do. You can do something like this. Um, yes. Open the file. Open PDD purchase order file
Okay.
in GitHub. Yeah, the in your local. Yeah, week 3. Delete delete the docs. DOCX. Delete. Okay, go to GitHub and commit the change.
Desktop, right?
Yeah. So deleted conflict file. Yeah. Commit to main. Okay, push to origin. Now you deleted it and you're pushing it to origin.
Okay.
Now go back to GitHub web. Scroll down. Now there are no more issues. So it just
So the
meant that,
conflict went out.
yeah, it just meant that whatever the changes that I made that are conflicting with your local item, so you can click on merge pull request now. Confirm merge. Yeah.
Okay. So how do I see your
Mm,
comments on
it will be there. Go back. Go back to your.
back as in?
Go back to GitHub desktop. Make a pull request. Fetch. Yeah. Pull origin. Okay. Show in Explorer. Click on Show in Explorer.
Yeah.
Open your folder. Week 3. Yes. Open. Yeah. Here it is.
This
So
one is it?
yes.
The changed with your comments in this? Or?
Yes. You can see on the top review. On the top review.
Oh, here.
Show
Okay.
comments are already there. So uh, on the right side, hit on reviewing plane. There is a review plane, or you can click on next, 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 next.
On.
Below, above show comments, there is next.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
it says Avinash.
that's fine. That's my system name. You can go ahead and update.
To be process map must be updated.
So there is no to be process map in the PDD.
Oh, whatever I did was as is only, is it?
Yeah, I'm not making any changes. I'll just give you the comments. You need to make the changes.
So, so in there I had added some conditions and all.
Where have you added?
Mm, in this, right? This is the flow.
If you ask me, you also need to change it a bit more easy to understand.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't use the
No,
swim lanes and all.
no need
And
for the swim lane. Just arrange it properly.
Arrange as in the order is okay, just the look and feel, is it? Or
Exactly, exactly, correct, correct.
but anything that I have missed, I think the conditions here also I have missed, right?
Yeah.
And this, when I try to, are there more PO? When I said yes, it is going. I mean, I put no here. Sorry, I have to put yes. Sorry, I have to put no only here. Niche is here. I have to make it as yes. But when I say no, I'm not able to bring it like this. So many times I tried, and it's going in the same line. These kind
I
of problems.
I do get it. So you can move it to the left or right, then the
I
path will
tried all for a long time. I wasted my
change.
time on that. Then I gave up. I said, fine, let it be.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and update
That's fine.
to be processed.
Okay, so in this, so to be processed, so what should I do? I should take this and put it there, is it? This
Yeah, like
JPG
no, no. Whatever you have done is as is process.
as is. Okay, this is coming in as is only in that
Yeah,
TDD.
yeah. To be processed is what you need to update.
To be processed is only the thing is extra conditions
Yeah,
I
what,
have
how
to put.
exactly, what will work? So this is the
Hmm.
task of the regular process. Now we will check on how bot will work.
Okay, that is a to be. Okay. So here I have to add a diagram or what? There is no place for a drawing. What should I do here? I am not clear.
You need to export it as a image and you can paste it.
So this table,
Table will
I
still
can
be
delete.
there above that.
Okay. I don't know what to do. What are all these things? Action number in the process.
That's fine. See, Sudhira's PDD we have it. Sudhira's image we have it. You can copy it and paste for now.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Okay.
complete the code. Don't waste too much time on this.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Okay.
Only one comment, is it? Like to be processed,
Yeah,
not to
yeah,
be
that's
completed,
correct.
right?
That's correct.
So in this is more or less fine, you are saying, is it?
Correct.
With okay. Just look and feel has to be changed. Okay, fine. So Dira, just commit your thing and
It's already committed from my machine, right? So
all
it
right,
will be
okay.
there in, it's already there
Yeah,
in
in
your
my
code.
folder.
So
Yeah, in my
just go to
folder.
Sudhira's folder and you can see the changes.
Mm,
Week 3 project.
oh,
Yeah.
um, both of them, is it? Or
Not both of them.
Was the
Both of them.
first one to be.
first one? Okay.
So if you want, I can just
So
add the
I copy
screen.
paste, is it? How does this? What
Yeah,
do I
you
do
can
here?
copy. Yeah, you can copy paste.
Okay. Okay.
What
Fine.
I'll do is I
Yes.
will paste. Okay, I have pasted the file, updated screenshot. Yeah. Okay, I have updated the
I have
screenshot as well. Just make a pull request. Fetch origin and make a pull request.
what? Okay. Fetch origin has to be made both in GitHub as well as the website, right? I mean, desktop and the website.
First website, then GitHub desktop.
I did desktop first. Okay. Okay.
So in the website, that is fetch upstream, not origin.
Okay.
Yeah, Swapna and Rajni, you were silent most of the time for this training today. Any questions? See,
Yes, but I have one question.
yes, tell me.
Um, like, how to check all transactions are processed in Orchestrator instead of manually?
So there is no need to check when in RE framework, if the item is completed, it's going with get transaction item. There it will by default check. There is no need for you to
So
check again.
if it is not RE framework, I'm just invoking from
Uh,
normal process.
so after completing an item, you just need to make a get transaction item, and if you get a value, then item is available, and if you don't get a value, then item is not available. Get
Means
transaction
we
item.
do.
Get transaction item is what you need to add.
Can I share my screen, Vajrang,
Yeah,
once?
yeah, sure. Well, I need to drop off, so please make it fast. Okay, I can see.
Where is my once?
Suvira went on hold. Swapna went on hold. Okay, so I cannot continue further. So what I suggest is I will suggest Swapna to connect to me directly after this meeting. Okay. Bye Rajni. Bye Purni.
Bye, Vajrang.
Okay, bye. Sorry, Vajrang, I'm sharing my screen now.
Swapna, please connect to me after some time. I just need to leave. Drop off.
Oh, you need to drop off.
Yeah. Okay. Just give me some time. I'll connect back with you. Or else
Okay,
check
Vajrang.
in with the team member. So who is your partner?
Sudhir.
Yeah, just talk to Sudhira and get it done. But I will also connect with you in some time.
Sudhir has left, is it?
Yeah, yeah. So yes, see,
Oh,
whatever you have done is correct. Like get transaction item you are doing right. After completing the
Yes.
transaction item, if you get it transaction item again, so what you need to do instead of assigning the amount, or if you instead of getting the value, you need to first check if there is item or not. If
How to check? Okay,
yeah,
that I.
you can write an if condition.
Okay.
So what is the get transaction item output?
Download data.
Yeah, if
One.
download data is nothing,
Okay, control this.
download data is nothing,
Is sorry.
is nothing. Nothing. Yeah, space is nothing. Keeps is space nothing.
Okay.
Yes. So now if that is the nothing, then there are no more values. If there is some value, then you will get some value.
If download data is nothing means we need to break. We need to put some break.
Exactly.
Otherwise, we see I'm getting this type of error.
Yeah, now you will
Vajrang.
not get. Just try to work with this.
Okay, sure, I will do it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.